早晨 Good morning. Today, I'm beyond excited to present a very special unboxing video featuring l'exclusive to Chanel Coromandel Eau de Parfum in English. In my previous Cantonese unboxing videos, I focused on giving you a comprehensive view of the packaging, bottles, and all the details of the fragrances. Some were followed by a short but honest review. If you have enjoyed my Cantonese content and are eager to explore more unboxing presented in English, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Your support and feedback mean the world to me. So let's get back to this 2021 Black Friday purchase in Hong Kong. As you can see, nothing special about the packaging. Just like many other mainstream designer brands like Louis Vuitton, Celine, and Dior La Collection Privé, Chanel also embraces the elegance of minimalism in their packaging. But here's the thing. While the fragrance itself, or we may call it the juice, is the heart of the matter, we must stay vigilant against counterfeit schemes when buying second-hand bottles. Use this video as a reliable reference to ensure the authenticity of your Chanel purchase. Alright, let's go straight to the overview. Coromandel was originally created by perfumers Jacques Poche and Christopher Sheldrick in 2007 in the Eau de Toilette concentration. You can categorize it as a soft, ambery, powdery scent. Why? Everything started with the inspiration, Chinese screens, also called Coromandel lacquer screens, based on a biography, Chanel Solitaire, in 1983. On page 12, a direct quote from Coco Chanel. I have loved Chinese screens since I was 18 years old. I nearly fainted with joy when entering a Chinese shop. I saw Coromandel for the first time. Screens were the first thing I bought. Gabrielle Chanel's possession of 32 folding screens showcased her passion for collecting and her deep admiration for the beauty of Chinese art. Before diving into the details, let's talk about the scent profile. The main notes include patchouli, frankincense, and benzoin. Now, we might assume it's just another typical amber fragrance with Chanel's signature powdery DNA, right? But believe me, it's more than that. As someone who isn't typically drawn to potent or overly powdery scents, I was genuinely surprised by Coromandel's uniqueness. Chanel is renowned for its iconic powdery and aldehyde representations. It opens with a likable bitter orange and citrus notes that give it an elegant yet approachable aura. Unlike other exclusive fragrances, Coromandel embraces a delicious vibe. Besides the mentioned notes, there's a subtle white chocolate undertone from the ambery facet and the powdery presence. Even though white chocolate is not stated on the official website, the perfumers beautifully interpret Coromandel's accents, reflecting nature's perfection and patience seen in those lacquer screens. This is a captivating unisex fragrance that conveys an alluring sense of mystery without overwhelming the sense. For me, Coromandel was versatile and non-offensive, even for those who dislike powdery or sweet scents. However, the sillage was below average, projecting moderately for around 3 hours and staying close to the skin afterwards, at which it could be more powerful. When it comes to longevity, it's been a bit of a controversial aspect for me to analyze. My personal standard for a woody, ambery fragrance is at least 6 to 8 hours of lasting power. Back when I was in Hong Kong, I could often achieve such longevity with this scent. However, upon arriving in Toronto, I noticed a change. Whether it was due to different weather, atmosphere, or other external factors, longevity seems to have diminished. Now I can only enjoy the scent for around 5 hours, which is a bit disappointing. Even when I try a sample at the boutique here, it softly fades away after lunch hour. Still, I like this fragrance, and I wish it could last forever like another exclusive, Le Lion. As for the pricing, it's disheartening to see the market price continuously rise since the pandemic. Chanel fragrances are known for their luxury quality and are not typically found in great markets. However, there are occasional discounts or limited sales in certain places. For instance, you may come across a seasonal 10% off on the Harrods website. And half a year ago in Canada, Nordstrom decided to quit the Canadian market and found some Chanel fragrances at around 20 to 40% off. But guess what? I still kept my pocket tight as usual. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't hesitate to let me know if you would like to see more English unboxing videos or reviews. Until next time.